As far as stuff that comes with the BoomX-U, I am really glad that Comica has been listening. Maybe not to me, but I've definitely mentioned it a few times in my reviews of Comica products. I love when they include bags because then it just keeps everything nice and tidy and there's a place for everything. Inside the bag, there's a little slot for the 2 transmitters and the receiver, which is really nice. I like that a lot. Then on the outside, you can store basically everything else you need. So there's a TRS to TRRS if you want to connect this to a phone or an iPad. There's your lavalier microphone. I'm wearing one right now and I have one of the transmitters, but this is the other one for the second transmitter. And then you have your USB-C right here, and then there is an XLR, which is a 3.5 millimeter, and that's just if you wanted to connect this to maybe a cinema camera that has XLR inputs, you can connect the receiver to that. And yeah, I really like this. It's all just one little complete package, so thumbs up for me, Comica. Good job for giving us a case to put it all in. I like that a lot. Okay, so something that a lot of people asked in my last wireless mic review was if you had 2 transmitters, can you split the signal so that one's on the left and one's on the right? And yes, you can. It's as simple as going into the menu on the receiver and switching it from mono to stereo. So you should be hearing this audio from your left speaker, and this audio should be from your right speaker. So the answer is yes, you can split the signals so that one is left and one is right. And this can be good if maybe you have a person that usually talks louder. You can turn their gain down in the receiver, and someone who talks quieter, you can turn their gain up. So that way you're not gonna have one person peaking and one person that you can barely hear.